Today we're keeping it super simple with a side dish that's quick, tasty, and goes with just about anything: garlic butter green beans. Ingredients are also listed in the description below. Ingredients: fresh green beans, butter, garlic minced, salt and pepper. A squeeze of lemon optional. Steps: Step 1. Prep the beans. Trim the ends off your green beans like giving them a haircut before the big show. Step 2. Blanch. Drop them into boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes, just until they brighten up like they've had their morning coffee. Step 3. Sort. Melt butter in a pan, toss in the garlic, and let it sizzle until your kitchen smells like heaven. Step 4. Combine. Add in your beans, season with salt and pepper, and toss until they're glossy and coated. Step 5. Finish strong. A little squeeze of lemon makes the flavors pop like a grand finale on the taste buds. And that's it. Easy, buttery, garlicky green beans in minutes. Perfect for any meal.